Good morning again from Moab, Utah. I don't think waking up in the desert is ever going to get old. It got really cold last night. That's going to get old, but waking up to these views is just absurd. So we brought our mountain bikes down into the desert, go riding for the first time. Nothing too crazy. Sticking to some of the better trails here, but I am excited. Well, we got all the gear ready. We're headed out to the 7-Up connector to go on the getaway from here. It's a lot colder than we expected. We just thought the weather said about 60, but it feels like 37. So trying to figure out how to layer up for this day's ride. Yeah, here we go.
Dime store, penny short, waiting for so much more, crying out, calling cold, apologies, a boring soul. She turned to me, blind in the fray, weight of this world. She will not be tamed.
I know. This is like the coolest trail I've ever been on.
Let us in, nothing yet. A hospital, an empty bed. Wishing well, all I'm read. The fairy tale is all but dead. She turned to me, round in the fray, weight of this world.
This may be a green trail, but it is by far some of the most fun I've ever had mountain biking. It's like a tour on a mountain bike with some tricky sections. Technical section. As I say, it was easy.
Turned to me, blind in the fray, weight of this world. She will not be
So if this ride wasn't crazy enough, look at all the views and mesas over there.
Turned to me,
Some more plateaus over here. South, way back there. Crazy.
weight of this world.
That's good. After the ride, we decided to go explore the rest of the BLM land where we were camping out for the whole weekend. But don't let the desert fool you. Even though it may look warm, it was getting colder and windier by the minute. But that's no excuse not to explore the beautiful mesas that surrounded our campsite.
She turned to me, blind in the fray, weight of this world. She will not be tamed. She turned to me, blind in the fray, weight of this world. She will not be tamed.
Well, it's Saturday night and it's still really windy. It's like 15 degrees, but because of the wind, it just feels so cold. So probably gonna wrap it up soon and just play some cards and drink some beer in the tent, because even sitting by the fire, it's just not warm enough because the wind just comes in and just swoops all the heat right out of the fire. We have 4 logs on right now and it's still not hot enough. But even though it's this cold, I mean, you just can't beat a desert night like this.
And like I said, don't let the desert fool you, because we woke up to this. So much for our plans to ride on